Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the latest updates about NASA's Artemis I moon mission, which has been postponed due to some technical reasons. So before proceeding to the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for notification of all incoming new videos. Also watch the full video for complete details about Artemis I mission. Now without wasting the time, let's start the video. NASA's Artemis I moon mission will be the agency's first big step toward returning astronauts to the lunar surface. Artemis I will be the first test flight of the agency's new space launch system Mega rocket and the Orion crew capsule. The SLS rocket will launch the uncrewed Orion spacecraft on an approximately 42 days mission, during which it will orbit the moon before returning to the Earth. Artemis I was scheduled to be launched at 12:33 GMT on August 29th from Launch Complex 39B at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The engine number 3 conditioning issue cropped up as NASA worked through a series of glitches during the countdown, including a liquid hydrogen leak early in a fueling process and a possible crack in a part of core booster known as the intertank flange, which connects the SLS giant liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen tanks. The tanks can hold a combined 730,000 gallons of propellant. As per NASA, the flanges are connection joints that function like a seam on a shirt or affixed at the top and bottom of the intertank, so the two tanks can be attached to it. NASA's engineers found that the crack was actually in the insulating foam on the flange, but not in the rocket's metal structure. The ice that formed is essentially air that's being chilled by the tank that gets trapped inside of the crack in the foam, but not the actual tank. Neil also added that NASA's personnel had seen similar cracks in the foam when it was used on the space shuttles before their retirement in 2011. The engine number 3 problems and the feared crack followed concern about a liquid hydrogen leak in the rocket. The leak during the fueling process appeared similar to one that occurred during an SLS fueling test earlier in this year. It was noted by Neil, but NASA officials were not quick to judge. NASA's officials have written in a subsequent update that although a similar issue was identified in an earlier wet dress rehearsal, but it may not necessarily be the same cause. NASA stopped and restarted the flow of liquid hydrogen into the tank in an attempt to verify the leak and even proceeded with fueling the 322 feet tall rocket's upper stage while engineers worked the issue. Even before fueling the SLS rocket, NASA faced challenges during Monday's launch countdown. Offshore storms and lightning delayed fueling of the SLS rocket by nearly 1 hour, forcing launch controllers to work to catch up for lost time. Hence, NASA had decided that if the agency solves the engine number 3 issue, it could try to launch Artemis I on its mission to the moon again on Friday, September 2, or on Monday, September 5, if the weather will be permitting. However, mission managers have said that if NASA cannot launch this mission by September 5, its next launch drive would likely be in October, as launch opportunities are limited by the stage of the moon and lighting conditions upon re-entry, among other considerations. However, NASA has rescheduled Artemis I moon mission on Saturday, 3rd September after troubleshooting the leakage problem of engine number 3. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly also offer your comments. Bye.